Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Cube. I am Mohammed Said. Today we are going to see how to create a stiffener for PEB tapered column by using multi-stiffener component. By manually to create a stiffener for this kind of column, it will take a lot of time because the depth of the column will be varied. So we have to create a stiffener for multiple times. To reduce this time consumption, we can use multi-stiffener component. Go to application component dialog box, search multi. So here the 1064 component, multi-stiffener component is that. Double click on it. Here we have to provide some information. First in picture tab, we provide number of stiffeners we want. So that is 5. Next, the center to center distance of the stiffener is 1150. Next, where the stiffener will be created. Here the three option is that one is from the center, from start, from end. So here I choose from the start. Next, if you want any offset from the starting point, so here I put as 250 mm as a offset from the picking point. So next go to parts tab. Here we will provide the thickness and width of the stiffener. By default this component create both sides stiffener. If you want any one side, uncheck the other side. But here I will choose the both side. Then provide the thickness of the stiffener is 8 mm. Next give the position number as S1. Material as IS steel IS 2062. So similarly to the other side of the stiffener. Next give the name as stiffener. Then go to stiffener tab. Here we will provide the chamfering distance and the chamfer value is 25 mm on both sides. For other stiffener also one inside chamfer. Then click modify, apply OK. Next choose the member. Then select the position where it will be started. So here I choose from this position. So the stiffener will be created based on our inputs. So to check this offset from this center to the position is a 250 mm. Next, check the center to center distance of the stiffener. It is 1150. So this is the method to create a stiffener easily throughout the member. The stiffener is created both sides because we check on both sides. Also it have chamfer inside. So similarly create this column, select the member and choose the position. It will be automatically create based on the depth of the column. So this is the method to create a multi-stiffener for PEB tapered column by using multi-stiffener component. In our next video, we will see another information. Thank you.